As I finished unpacking, my love, welcome in Kleinbaai, next to Gansbaai.
Wow.
What a magical place. Huh?
And that's so fitting because we are staying in magical cabin in the woods.
It's fitting.
Do you
You're
want
right.
to go look?
It is an amazing place.
Wow.
If you go around this corner, it's
No,
like,
don't tell them.
It's like, what?
Don't tell them, show them. Come.
Okay, I'll be a gentleman and open the gate for you.
Yeah, it's very high for me.
Azai, come in.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Mama, look at the milkwoods. This is like a forest.
You won't believe what I'm seeing.
Can I show them?
Yeah, come on.
Do. Oh, wow.
Goodness, look at this.
Let me just get those lights to stop flickering. There we go.
Oh,
Mama,
wow.
look at this.
Goodness.
What?
Welcome to my porch.
Yes. This is so nice.
Wow.
I wish you guys can be here just to feel this. There's a
Magical.
There's an ambiance here.
Yeah.
It must be the milkwood trees or something,
And
but
all
it's
the
a
lights, I get this magical
Yeah, it's like
fairy feeling.
it's like a fairy feeling.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
crazy.
it's beautiful. Oh my
Wow,
goodness.
this is so nice.
This is the nicest outdoor area I think
Ever.
I've ever been in.
This is so cool. It's so like rustic.
Yes.
And you're in the forest.
You feel like you're sitting in the woods.
Yes, this is
Eh?
lekker. Look at this amazing hot tub.
Wow.
It's like a big Bali
Self-built.
faatjie. Huh?
Self-built.
He built it
The
himself,
owner
yeah.
built it himself. He got this from Robertson in the wine area.
A winery, yeah.
and modified the whole thing. It's an electric pump. You don't need any wood.
Yes. Okay. Jeez,
Very nice.
It's on 34 degrees already, my love.
Yeah.
So it's close. We
and
can.
actually, they have lit it up for
Yeah,
us.
so we can almost get in.
Oh,
Is it hot?
nearly.
Oh, wow.
Lekker,
34
lekker.
degrees. I'm sure it must go to about 38, 39.
Yeah, because we're
That's
near
almost.
the beach. It's walking distance from the beach, so it must be cold.
It is
in
cold,
the winter.
yeah. I mean, winter is.
But
winter
if you
is
see this place
not nice.
inside, you will understand why you can book it in the winter as well.
Yeah, it's very nice. I
Wow.
love it. Okay, my love. And you can sit here, you can lounge here.
Ag, laat ek lounge.
Lounge
Laat
in
ek
the,
net 'n bietjie lounge hierso.
in the winter months with a book.
Here's my cocktail. Imagine.
Jeez, this is nice. The feeling here is just
Magical.
unreal. It's magical.
Yeah.
It is unreal.
The name is so fitting.
I love this round table as well.
Jene,
Jeez.
en hier kan jy 'n romantiese ete hê. Hoe het hulle altyd 'n opsitkers?
Opsit kers.
Ja, hier gaan ons opsit vanaand.
Mama,
Ja,
I haven't done an opsit kers, I think, ever in my life.
it's time.
Ever in my life.
Yeah.
Because I met you just straight after school. So,
So wow, julle kan opsit vanaand. Die parretjie gaan opsit met sy nooi en die vlei. And
Okay.
then they've got this big open
Opening.
doors.
like a sliding, stackable doors.
Oh, and when you get here, there's a lockbox. You put in the code, they'll send you, and you go in by yourself. Self check in, very nice.
Nice.
But wait, there's much more.
I'm on the fire. I've actually lit the fire for us because
Oes,
it is
klaar
damn
lekker
cold.
warm.
It's damn cold outside.
Very nice.
This winter, I know I say it a lot, but this winter can really go now.
Yeah, no,
Really.
it's nearly there.
Yeah.
Just turn around, I must show you.
Okay, let me just start here. This is a nice big braai area, huh?
Very nice.
1.2 meters, Poppy.
And I know why. It's to warm up this whole space.
And they give you ample wood.
Yes.
Lots of wood. They give you fire starters,
Yes.
small wood.
And if you need some more wood, they've got bags outside, 2 bags you can buy, 60 rand per bag.
There we go, 60 rand a bag if you run
Yes,
out of wood.
If you run out of
Yeah.
wood.
That's
And
like-
turn around. Just show them what we greeted.
Oh, that's what you want to show.
Yeah, I want to show them.
Doing it together on the TV.
So they watch the show,
Ja, lekker.
I'm sure.
Lekker mamma, jy's nogals 'n mooi vrou, hè?
Ah, Jessie, dankie.
Jeez.
Daar's my hare so bietjie de mekaar, maar okay, hier ook.
That was in Thailand.
Ja.
Your favorite place.
So let's just start here. You've got the TV, you've got full Wi-Fi, you've got
It's a smart TV
It's a smart TV.
with all the channels and whatever,
YouTube,
yeah,
there's
whatever you want.
everything you want. Very nice. I always like this. A range of games you can play, cards,
Mama,
extra batteries if there's something flat.
there's a knee blanket for you.
A knee blanket. I'm gonna wrap my around. Okay, and then when you finish watching TV and you're having a braai, hierso sommer die braaibak.
Oh, right next to the braai.
Right
There's
next
two
to
of
the
them.
fire. Yes,
Jeez.
the firelighters,
Oh, wow.
candles.
And look at this. Look at this. I've just used this. This is
Whoa.
so cool. Look at that.
Lekker,
I
blou
love it.
vlam.
Huh?
See?
Yeah, so you just start your fire with that.
Yeah.
First time I've used it before, but the first time that I see this at these places.
And my favorite is this nice bar fridge. Look at this.
It's cool, huh?
Oh, wow, I like it.
Yeah.
Wow, this is very nice.
I don't know what the cat's name is, but
Yeah, this is like a nice cabin in the woods, as we said. It's like, this is all fitting. All the
Yeah.
wood, all the stone.
I like the styling.
Yeah,
The
it's
styling
very
is-
nice.
Look at that, and that makes you feel like you're at the beach.
You're so close to the beach.
Yeah.
We'll show you tomorrow. Then they've got this gas oven
Okay,
that you can use.
lekker.
This place has got so much. You've got the air fryer.
Wow.
There's salt, pepper, oil, vinegar,
Oh, and my favorite spatulas.
the spatulas, the rubber ones.
The silicone ones.
Yeah, and they even give you this for the.
Oh, those the plates.
Yeah, so you don't have to wash
Okay.
the thing.
Okay.
Microwave, but I see a
Toothpicks.
lot of
How many people gives you toothpicks?
toothpicks. Nobody. There's a nice cupboard up here with all the
Plates.
plates and cups and soup cups.
Okay.
Nice. A lot of glasses.
Look at all the glasses.
I see.
My goodness.
Wow, all types. Oh my goodness, Henny.
That's my favorite.
This is your favorite brandy glass.
Yeah.
But I think like just
And
pour
this-
us a brandy, please.
Now.
We're gonna pause here because we had a long drive and
I love
we are
you.
thirsty.
I love you for that. I love this. Is really a magical place, huh? Numzaan just appeared here.
Maar it's like it's
All of a
lief.
sudden. Magic.
I said.
Magic. So I've poured us some, and we forgot to say, Martin, thank you very much, you and your wife. They left us some monsters, Poppy.
In the bar fridge, how
Yeah,
fitting.
look at this. The zero sugar one. You want that one?
No, I want the green one.
You want the
please,
green? But
first.
this is the green one. It's just the zero sugar.
Am
but
I
you
fat?
want- you
Do
want
you
the-
think I'm fat?
No, not at all. You want the sugary one.
I want the sugary
Thanks,
one.
Martin. This is going to be lekker. Mama, will you do us the honors?
Yes.
I'll just open it for you so that you can get the smell. Ooh, just get that smell. Get that smell. Put it in, Poppy. Put it in. Oh, that's going to be... I love it that we can do this before we finish with the whole tour.
Yeah, but
I smell it.
when we finish, we are so dehydrated.
And my throat, it's always a struggle with the throat. Cheers, my love. Welcome to Kleinbaai.
Whoa,
Oh, first time, huh?
magical
First time
cabin.
in Kleinbaai.
Yes.
Magical cabin, Poppy. Cheers.
Sjoemaus is dors.
Oh,
Okay.
Numzaan. Hy is 3 jaar, Poppy. Hy is 3 jaar. Hy slaat hard. Right, let's go on.
There's not just brandy glasses. There's fluted champagne glasses.
I see those long glasses, huh?
Wine glasses. There's wine glasses.
Jeez. There's beer glasses.
There's beer glasses. There is whiskey glasses. Oh, stemless wine
Everything
glasses.
you want.
Brandy glasses and
Shot.
a shot glass.
Mama, I brought us some shots.
Even if you're getting too much from die sittertjies wat jy gooi, kan jy dit
I
afmeet.
thought that's for an egg, a boiled egg that you put in.
No,
Egg stand.
it's for you people
No, I don't
that's so
No, I don't do
heavy
that.
on the hand.
Sorry, my love. I didn't even know what that is, so I don't do that.
Okay. Then finish with the glasses. This side you've got coffee cups,
Gee, vases,
very nice
flower vases.
and water, if you want to put water in there. And then what's very nice is you've got this DeLonghi coffee machine. The coffee bonus in the yskas. I'll
Oh,
show you.
so has it got a grinder as well? It's one of those.
Just that thing you
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
That's fancy.
That's fancy. Yeah.
Very
That's what you get
fancy.
at the coffee shops.
Yes, and then you've got its toaster. There's another option for coffee.
Yeah, the normal thing.
The normal,
Mama,
and there's
so-
plungers down that side
Oh my
that
goodness.
you can use.
Sorry, I'm going to
Very
interrupt you.
nice.
I'm going to interrupt you. Look at this. I've never seen this.
Yeah,
This is it's got a heat gauge.
yeah, it shows you
Huh?
how hot it is.
Wow.
They give you this is the filter coffee, also
Okay.
for that thing.
For that, yeah, machine.
Yes, they've got rusks. And look at this. My goodness.
Array.
Array. Sugar, white sugar, brown sugar. For those who that's on a diet.
Canderel,
Yeah,
eh?
sweetener. There's even this sweetener. 2 types of sweeteners.
Wow.
Yeah.
Milk.
Milk. There's Jacob's coffee if you want the normal one.
Okay.
And there's tea.
For the boring people that just want
normal
normal.
tea and rooibos tea.
Mama, look at the view
Oh, yeah.
from the kitchen, huh?
Beautiful.
Wow, it's nice and green here.
Milkwood.
Milkwood, yeah.
Yeah.
It's
This
very
is a
clean.
very clean place,
This
I
is
must
very
tell you.
clean,
If you
yeah.
go read all the reviews, my goodness, this is a very nice place. So this is another nice butcher's block, a huge
I love
one
it. And it's also on wheels.
on wheels. Not that you don't want to move
You
it.
don't want to move this, yeah.
So you've got you've got steak
is
knives.
there sharp knives? I need a
Yes,
sharp knife
sharp
tonight.
knives.
Oh, lekker.
There's scissors. There's all cutlery.
There's one of the... How weird is this? This is the second time we see this now.
I think this is a must.
This is a sign. This is a sign.
A sign that
next
every
time,
place must have this.
next time we must bring
Vegetables.
Vegetables, yeah, definitely.
Yes. Okay.
Wow,
And this side of the kitchen, you've got a nice washing machine.
my love.
If
yes.
you go outside this door, there's a washing
wire.
rod where you can put on your wasgoed.
'n wasgoedlyn
A
man.
wasgoedlyn man. Daai ene. My favorite thing. A dishwasher. Yeah. And what's nice, they give you
Wow.
the tablets to put in.
I see it. I see it.
That's rare.
That is very rare,
Yes.
yeah.
And
Okay,
then on
cool.
this side, you've got the nice fridge freezer. You've got the bar fridge, and then you've got this one.
And I see it stocked already, my love.
Yeah,
What is that?
that's a bar one tart.
A bar one.
Tart. Oh my goodness.
More.
Thank you. Thank
Yes,
you very much. We must have looked thirsty when we got here. And
More
this is the
monsters.
coffee I spoke about.
Oh, that's
Ground
the coffee.
and
But
there's
this is
another
obviously
type
our
of
stuff that
coffee.
we've put in here.
Yeah. We booked for 2 nights, but we're only staying 1 night, and that's why I've only have this for 1 night.
I'm gonna chirp in here.
Chirp, chirp.
People, we are so excited. Yeah, as she said, we were booked for 2 nights. We were supposed to stay here for 2 nights, but something fell in our lap, and we are going to a place tomorrow that we've never been. We are so excited. We're bubbling out of our skins.
Yeah. I'll give you a hint. We're going on a plane.
We're flying somewhere tomorrow, and you guys will be the first to see it.
Yeah.
So hang tight.
Stay tuned.
Next one. Lekker, mama.
Okay, and I think
Right.
they give you ice.
Lekker, and I saw this. Yeah, I brought
Yeah.
my own ice. That's my ice, and then at
Yes.
the bottom they give you ice, and I see they've got
Buckets as well.
buckets as well. Yeah, so
Yes.
they're very
So you sorted.
on top of everything. Yeah.
Yes. And you're not far from the shops. So you can go buy. If you run out of Noomzaan, go to the shop.
Yes, we just passed the Spar here in Gansbaai.
Yes.
It's close. It's like
Very close.
1.5, 2 kilos. Yeah.
Yes.
We do the playroom last. This is the for the kids or the friends that you like actually, because
Yeah.
it's very nice up here.
Yeah, it's very nice. So here you go. Oh, you can check your hair.
Oh, you and your hair.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness.
Up and away. Ooh,
This is like a loft.
it's like a loft.
Yes, but it's big up here. Huh?
Very nice.
Wow.
Sitting area.
Sitting area, lekker couch.
Yeah, this is for a child to sleep.
Okay.
Another double bed.
Jeez, but I can't believe the size up here.
Very
Look at this.
nice. Very nice.
This
very
is
nice.
so big.
This loft has got its own TV.
I see. Yeah.
With everything
Oh, man, look
on.
at that.
It's a smart
That's
TV.
a woodwork bench.
Yes.
I love things like this. I
They
really do love it.
refurnish it, eh?
Yeah, I really
Very
love this.
nice,
Oh,
very
this is so
nice.
nice.
Yeah. And there's a
love
fan
it.
for in the summer if it's too hot because loft rooms can get hot. Yeah.
But I see it's got a ceiling, so I'm sure there's insulation as
Yeah,
well.
and if you lot, open the doors.
Yeah, and it's got its own little balcony.
Yes, very nice. Come
With
look
chairs
at this.
and a table.
My goodness, this is nice. But I spot
you
something else. When there's a light, I can't resist it. Just come and look at this.
What?
There's a nice fireplace downstairs.
My word, it's a bit far, but hey, we must go
Between
there.
the woods.
Between the freaking milkwood trees.
Oh goodness.
We must
it's
go
very
there
nice.
just now.
But look at this. Just
There's
scan
so much
the-
to look.
Scan
Look
around.
at this, look at that, look at this.
Scan around.
Wow, you're on
you
top.
are so private.
Listen, my love, this is almost like living in the treetops.
Wow, magical treetops.
And they say if you're tall enough, so I'm going to lift this camera quickly. I don't know if we're going to be able to see it,
they say
but
you can
they
see
say
the
you can
beach.
see the ocean from here. Yeah. So
Wow.
let's see. I don't know. I don't think
Can
I'm.
you see it?
I'm going to
Because-
stand on the chair.
Oh my goodness.
Ah, so sê ek sien hom.
Sien jy hom
Ja, ek
sonder die
sien hom.
kamera?
Daar is die see.
Dis nou 'n voordeel as jy lekker lank is.
Jeez, huh? There's the ocean.
Wow. You see,
Very nice,
it's not
very
so
nice.
far you can walk.
Yeah, it's just damn cold today.
Yeah.
Damn it. This freaking winter.
But this is the most amazing. It's so secluded.
Yeah, you're very private
I can't
here.
believe it's so secluded.
Very, very private.
Yeah, I love it.
Mama, now it's time for the
Nou
playroom.
moet ek mooi trappie af met
Hey,
trappies.
look at this.
Cheers.
No,
Nee, ek
I'm a
sien-
little bit more
Ja, maar jy is
thirsty,
ons
more
haastige
thirsty than you.
mannetjie. Haastige mannetjie.
It's nice out here. I love it.
Very nice.
We can actually come and eat here tonight.
Yeah, there's lots of faces
And
to
there's
pick
no
from.
wind here. Because
Actually, I want to
it's-
do the opposite kers tonight.
You want on the
Yes,
stoep?
yep.
Oh, opposite kers. The English people won't even know what is an opposite kers.
Ach, they are. They come from the voortrekkers as well, the English people. Come.
Oh, we're talking too much mingles here.
Mingles. Come. Nice. I must just mention, I love their lighting.
Yeah,
All the lighting
it's
is
very
so,
different.
It's like a cabin.
Yeah, I like it as well.
Very
there's
nice.
3 more that we haven't even
Yes.
seen.
No,
It's
there's
not
a
on
lot
yet.
of lighting
We
in
will
here.
put that on tonight.
Yes, but now we're going to the playroom.
Now first there's the bathroom.
I just wanted to say the bathroom from the top, from the stairs up there, is downstairs, but which is very nice. Because if you're catering in here, you use this bathroom. You don't have to go to the main bathroom
Yeah,
through my
yes, that-
through my safe place. You
makes
go
sense.
in here.
That makes sense.
Yeah, if you're on a pee or whatever.
I say. Now I can see you.
Oh. So this is the first bathroom.
Okay.
Very stylish.
Ooh, that shower is on the mark.
You want to
It's-
test it?
No, no.
Okay,
I'm not
I'll-
going to shower here. I'm not going to shower here.
I'll test it.
Okay, I'll test it in our room. That
Oh my
one is going to
goodness.
be on the
I
mark.
think I fit in everywhere.
Yeah, I think, yeah, definitely. I'm sure I'll fit there.
Yeah.
It looks like
a
it.
nice bathroom,
And a potty.
a potty and a basin.
Nice.
Yes.
It's nice and clean here. It's clean. It's white and clean,
This is
huh?
a very clean place.
Yeah. You
It's
can
a
actually
big house, but everywhere you look,
you,
it's clean.
you actually see it that it's
Yeah.
clean.
Yes.
Sure.
From here, you go into the main bedroom.
My love.
I'm just going to take a sip and put my glass down.
This is for me and you tonight.
Listen, it's...
I would
it's-
have loved to stay here for 2 nights.
Yes, as I must say.
Jeez.
Oh my goodness, I just saw this.
Oh,
I must tell you,
Oh, hot blanket.
wherever I go, if there's a
hot
electric blanket, you get 5 stars already.
Yes, but it's a nice room, huh?
Yes, it's
Just
nice.
look at the scenery outside.
Yes,
It
everywhere.
really feels like you're in the forest.
You've got your own hot blanket.
Jeez, on this side as well.
Yes, you can change whatever
Okay.
you like because I like it hot, you like it cold.
I won't use it,
Yeah.
yeah. Thank you.
But I love this.
Yeah.
There's no wind outside.
There's nothing, huh?
And this is so reminiscent of my grandfather's house.
Why?
He had cupboards like this.
with the old covers.
We had this.
Yeah.
And if you turn around, this is a singer where the machine
Oh, my word.
was inside. We had one of these as
My
well.
granny also had this.
And look how nicely it
Jeez.
fits in here.
Yeah.
It just fits.
Old with modern.
With
Yeah.
modern. It doesn't look like old. It's just so nice.
Jeez, I like
And
this
then
place.
when you go in here, you've got your own bathroom. Nobody's
Now-
going to
now-
use it. You
now-
can pee that side, you people.
Now I will do the test.
Yeah.
You hold the camera. Let me see. Just but look at this.
Nice.
Wow. Huh?
Stones.
Ja, nee wat.
Ach ja,
Ja, nee
wat
wat.
makkelijk.
Must I take my clothes off?
Ja, doe het.
No, another one noems aan. Mama, look at these stones. Did you show them?
Very
Yes, this
nice.
is so nice.
It's like cobblestones.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Beautiful.
You can actually massage your feet here when you
Oh,
shower.
lekker.
Jeez.
And that side
Nice
is the
modern
basin and the
basin.
mirror.
And potty that side.
And if I turn around, the potty.
Lekker.
Yes. And another nice feature about this room is you can open. We haven't done it yet. We're gonna do it.
It's got
You
its
open it up.
own
Everywhere
deck
is
as
your
well.
keys. You just
Oh, you don't have to do that now.
no.
Yeah.
Okay. So
But
you
I can
open up everything.
It's the same
Then you've
deck
got
now.
your own porch here. You go down there and you go to that
But
magical place
let's
there.
go to that now.
Yes.
Listen, but I like the top stoop more because it's higher. You feel like you're in the treetops.
Yes, but
no, we go through the front door.
okay,
we can
but
go
I'm
through
actually not gonna sleep upstairs because I want the hot blanket tonight.
No, I know. We're gonna sleep here. This is the playroom.
Yes.
But I like the stoopy
Yes.
on top there.
Yeah,
Because
it's
you
very
feel you
nice.
feel like you're sitting in the treetops.
In the treetops.
My love, let's just go.
Where's
and-
my glass? Don't let me get.
There we go. Let's go and drink a drinky by under the trees there.
Yes, nice. I just wanted to do one thing.
Oh, we're doing a
I
long
always
tour here.
forget to do this, but this is a nice low bed, so I can do that. Oh, lekker!
Stiff or
Lekker,
soft?
lekker! In between.
Oh, it's soft.
In between.
It's soft. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Ooh,
Yes, that's a lot of cushions again. This feels like our room at home.
it's like
Takes
a,
you 10 minutes to get rid of all the
a
cushions.
hotel touch.
Oh, we're talking nonsense. Let's go out. I
put
wanna
off all the
experience the milkwood trees outside.
Yes, let's do it.
Ooh, and the
I
fire is
can
still
actually
going.
pack us a platter if you
No,
want to
let's.
sit
I
outside.
first want to do it now.
You just want to sit there
I just
right
want to sit
now.
there and just do I want to finish my drink there.
You want to do it together.
Yeah, I want to finish my drink there. Just look at this, people. Just look at this.
Wow,
My word.
nice veranda.
I'm like.
Go with the path. Go with the
I've
path.
got no words. Huh?
The path goes through these trees.
Jeez.
Look at it.
this. Look at this.
It's a paadjie.
Julle, can we? I know it's cold tonight, but can we not braai here? I've lit the fire already inside. Jeez.
You can do what tickle your fancy.
This
okay?
is beautiful. I'm just gonna walk a little bit backwards just to show you. Just look
Yes.
at this.
And there's lights also
Wow.
everywhere.
My love, you
There's
put the lights
lights.
off.
Oh goodness. What's wrong with me?
Those lights were just burning.
I know.
You put them off now.
My goodness.
Don't worry. We'll come here tonight again. Yes, but this is nice. I really like it.
Oh, you don't
It's like a
feel,
canopy.
You don't feel like you cramped in.
Yeah, no, definitely
like
not. It's
You've
actually
got your own
it's quite big, huh?
place here.
It's huge, yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, there's the two stoopies.
It's like a treetop.
Yeah.
Very
Cheers, my
nice.
love.
Oh, wow.
And once again, I want to thank you guys for watching our videos. Because of you, we can be here.
Yes.
That is,
And thanks again, Martin and your wife,
Yeah.
for inviting us. This is really magical place.
I can't believe you guys rent this out.
Yeah, I'll stay here forever.
I'll stay here forever. Yeah.
Wow,
This is so
goodness.
nice. Cheers, my love.
Cheers.
I've never
No.
experienced something like this.
No.
This is. I'm sorry that I go on and on about this, but this is really something you have to experience.
Yeah,
This is
really.
crazy.
And in the summer, you know how nice and cool it will be outside.
Oh, my love, in the summer
Wow.
you will only braai here.
Yes, I
You
know.
Will, you will never braai inside.
No, I
Yeah.
know.
And
That's
the-
why it's so versatile. You can use it in the winter, you can use it in the summer.
Yeah. And the nice thing is you can book this place straight from our website.
Oh, that's the most amazing thing.
Most amazing thing.
Yeah.
Go to Doing It Together up here, doingittogether.co.za. Go to accommodation, go down to Magical Cabin in the Woods,
Yep.
and you just book now.
5 sleep.
5 sleep
Bring
people.
everybody
5
you
sleep.
want.
Oh, crazy. We'll see you on the website.
Yeah, and we'll show you tomorrow how you walk to the beach. Yeah.
I saw the beaches there. It's
Yeah.
just down here. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, this is very nice. This must be the deepest
Yeah, hot tub
hot tub
ever
I've
been.
ever sat in. Huh? Yes, this is a lot of water.
A lot of water and it's quite big.
Look
eh?
at this. Now I'm on my arse.
Oh, goodness.
I'm on my arse. Oh, it's lekker. You actually need a little bit of a steppy here. A bumpy.
Wil jy bo kan die water sit?
Yeah, just like this. If you can sit on a little bunkie here,
I like hanging like this.
it'll be very nice. Where's your glass? Cheers.
I'm eating.
Huh?
I'm eating.
Cheers. On an amazing place. Magical.
I just love it.
Magical. I really love it too. This is, as I said earlier on, this place speaks to you. It's a funny feeling,
Yeah.
but you have to be here in between these
And you
milkwoods.
just want to be outside.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's so nice.
Shoo.
You see the steam? Huh? Come on, listen to the romantic music.
Yeah, you see the struggle. No.
There's no struggle
There's
here.
no struggle here.
Mwah.
It's just magical.
Off the camera, put off the camera. Oh. This is honeymoon, puppy. This is honeymoon. I love it here. And you know what is so nice here? It's so private.
Yeah, very private.
There's just nobody around you. And there's few places that you can sit in a hot tub
Yeah.
underneath the roof
Yes.
while it's raining.
Yes.
Listen to that, listen to that. Ooh.
Ons het so lekker warm hier binne.
Ja. This is so cool. Well, I still want to. I want to light the fire down
I
there.
know you
I'm
burn.
burning to light the fire down there. I'm going to.
And then,
Huh? Why don't I braai us a little udurfie that side? And I braai the mains this side.
yeah,
Can I do that?
but did you bring any doves?
Let's do the sausage that side. And the
Okay.
mains here.
Okay, well, I've got bad news for you.
I'm buffling you now.
I'm
Did you
just-
forget the sausage?
Now I brought everything, but I'm just want to say, if it's raining, you're going to be on your own.
Oh shit, yeah.
Right?
But it just looks so nice down there.
I can't wait to sit in front of that fire inside.
Oh, this place is just magical. And you're gonna feed me.
Klein happies,
Listen
nee?
to this. Wow.
Klein happies, nee. Klein happies. Maar dan vat in die hele ding.
Die hele ding moet in.
Ja, lekker.
Oh.
Het is lekker.
Oh. Say, kom, cheers. Oh, dis lekker, julle, dis lekker. Oh my goodness.
Wat kan nou lekkerder wees?
Niks. Well, I can only drink a warm drink for so long. And then I can't do it anymore.
Thank you.
So, I had to put some ice in. You want some more? Yo, it's nice here. Oh my word. I like your choice of music.
Ja, ja.
Oei, hier val die water. No!
Nee, lekker nog klaar niemand hier.
Yeah, it's nice. Cheers. Ooh, puppy. Look at this. I've still got the fire going here. And I've got the fire going down. My love,
No,
you must get out now. I'm wrinkled. Huh?
chance.
No chance.
No.
You still want some ek sien jy beweeg so oor hier na die platter toe.
Ek wou nou net gevat het, nou eintlik my glas.
Oh, ja, okay. Ja, daar's hy nou. Woo! Woo! Cheers. I love you and I love it here. You like really glowing in that blue light. But I want to go and show them my fire down at the bottom. I'm getting distracted. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I've lit the fire. I don't know why. Why, Mama?
For the udurfie.
Oh yeah, for the udurfies, which is going to be just normal sausage. But I must show you this. Look at this. You cannot come to this place. Look at that. You cannot come to this place and not light the fire at the bottom here. Between the trees, yellow. This is next level. Oh my word. Look at that. Oh, nooit. Let's go this way, this way, this way, this way. And like that. There's the house at the back. Oh, nee. Oh, this is so cool. I just love it. I just love it. I just love it. Yo. My love, I'm coming.
What do you want to come for? I'm into the cooking.
Hello.
Hello.
You must get out now. I'm going to prepare the food.
You can prepare the food, I'm going to eat it.
You're gonna eat it, yeah, but I have to prepare. There's still a lot of work for me to do.
Oh, shame, hè?
Julle, hierdie vrou van my, nee.
Ek het 'n chef getrou.
I-
Gelukkig is ek.
I love her, but I also hate her because she doesn't want to help me. Mama, kom help my. You have to help me. You must hold the, and then I must, and then I must stick it. I must stick it. Oh, nooit. And I must still braai the sausage down there. Huh? Do that again. Rara. This evening. I don't know. But you know, when you come to a place and it's when you come to a place and it's got a vibe like this, you cannot do anything else than to just enjoy yourself.
Enjoy the music, enjoy the hot tub.
Oh, mama, this is so nice. Woo! Oh,
Wat is nou lekkerder as dit?
it looks like you're sitting in a wine
Fun.
barley.
Ja, doe.
A wine, what do you call that?
Wijnvat.
Ja, maar wat is het in Engels?
'n Wijnvat.
A wine barrel.
Ja.
A barrel.
When you go like this, you take a slurpy wine.
I hope you didn't pee in that slicky wine. My love, this hot tub is just, I've never seen anything like this. You're actually sitting in a complete barrel, huh?
People comes up amazing.
Yeah, people are just so clever, huh? A barrel they've got fiberglass inside.
Love this barrel.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna come and join you, but I have to go and prepare the food.
I'm waiting.
I know you don't want to get out, so I'm just gonna someone gonna do it here, huh?
Occupy marathon.
I'm going to do it here, Poppy. Okay, what I'm going to make tonight is this is the second time I've done it. The first time was a success. This is the second time. This is the chicken roll moppie. Yeah?
Okay.
The chicken roll moppie, Poppy. Mama, I lost my glass. I'll just take yours.
It's gonna take hours to prepare this chicken whoppie.
Okay, what you're gonna do is you take 2 chicken fillets or 5 or 10 or whatever you want.
We're just 2 people.
Yeah, we're just 2 people, so you cut it in the middle like that. Ooh. Luckily, this knife is not too bad. Okay, then you do the rest as well, the other one as well. I'm gonna just gooi it like this. Julle. What's that? Okay, we've got 4. Yeah, we've got 4 pieces. My life. En dan mis ek my hamertjie. We forgot our little hamertjie.
Ek kan nou nie kap vanaand nie, maar
What is a hamertjie in English?
hammer.
A hammer.
But this is second best.
I'm gonna use the plate again.
Ja,
Like your daddy taught us.
my daddy did that.
You see?
En dit is nie 'n maklike ding nie. Jy dink jy kap hom net, jy moet hom liggies kap, anders kap jy hom stukke.
Ja, maar sien, that's the difficult part because
No, it's not
I had
difficult.
the hamertjie.
You are.
So I do the chicken spice.
Okay, there we go, there we go.
And if you
Stop
can't
music.
and if you can't see it, you can't taste it. And then I do a lekker marina, Papi.
Marina vol oral.
Lekker my dogter. And then you gooi a bacon piece like that
Oh.
on there. And you gooi another bacon one on the other one. Just one. I know we've got a lot here, but and then Mama, you take this cream cheese
Ja.
and you gooi it on the bacon like that.
Wow.
Like so. Ooh, julle?
See, son. I must just mention you've got to have the right music for this recipe to work.
Whoop. Yeah, but this music is... I don't know, this is weird music, but I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like the drums. Woo, mama. Okay, that's it. The cream cheese is on.
Yeah, what's next?
Now I'm gonna gooi sweet and tangy cherry pepper dew.
Oh, lekker. She's there.
Oh, my handen zit zo vet eraf. Okay, I'm gonna put these. Just smell that. Just smell that. Smell that. Oh my word. Can I eat one? I can eat one.
If you can eat jalapenos, you can eat that.
Oh my, it's a sweet one. It's lekker.
Yeah.
So we're gonna chop them up. Just in pieces, like that. It doesn't have to be very fine. Just strings like that. Oh, it's burning now. It's burning.
What? Your hands?
No, my mouth.
Oh, you're eating a whole one.
Yeah, so
Oh
then you
my.
just put this on here, like so. Ooh, mama, I'll put extra
Hey,
on for
don't
me.
forget the slab of cheese.
No, that's gonna go on top
Oh,
of it.
lots of it.
You also want some of this, little bit.
Now, yeah, on
Just-
that, but
just-
not in my mouth.
No, like that.
Yep,
just
yep.
just little bit
3
like
is
that.
genoeg.
I was like, okay, and then you take a slab of cheese.
3 is my gelukkige nommer.
3 and 5.
And 5. I
Mama,
can't choose.
look at that. My fire went out. It's raining.
no.
It's raining so much. The fire is dead.
Matthew's got one inside as well.
Oh, but I'm gonna have to bring that wood up. I don't waste anything. So I'm gonna bring the wood up and I'm gonna put it in the fire tonight.
Yes.
Okay, then you gooi hierdie cheeses like that. Julle? This stuff is... Remember, I made this about 2 weeks ago.
Where's your stokkies?
This was so nice. Oh, I must go and get the stokjes.
My word.
But then you just... Mama... See, this is why I needed you.
What?
To help me prepare.
Don't worry, you're coping very well. You are a chef.
My love, but I need... I need a sous chef to help me prepare. Look
Hey,
at that.
Maria, kom.
I say, Mama, look at that. But now I'm gonna have to go and get the stokjes.
Get the stokkies.
Yo, that looks so nice. I'm sort of
Yeah.
feel like putting another one of these in.
What? Wrap the
Why
rope
not?
lot.
Why not? Wrap the whole lot. Look at that. Woo! Yellow? Okay, I'm gonna attempt to roll this now. This is gonna be my first attempt. Woo! I'm doing it, Poppy. I'm doing it. Mama,
I know, and you're not
This.
even doing it together.
No,
You're
look at
doing
that.
it alone.
this is the best big freaking thing. Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh.
That is society on steroids.
That's a society on steroids, my love.
Look at that.
That's a society on steroids. I'm gonna do this one. Let me do it. Well, I
Let me
cannot.
tell you, I married right.
Mama, stop it. I was thinking of doing 3. on
But
each
you're gonna
stick.
do 4.
No, I'm only gonna do 2 on each stick because
But that's
only
huge.
we only had 2 fillets.
But they are huge.
Jeez, this
they
is
are
big, huh?
huge. So
This one,
4 is more
put it
than
like
enough.
that.
We wake up tomorrow morning, we have still 2 left for
Yeah,
breakfast.
Yeah, definitely. Look at that. Look at that. Look
Monster.
At that. Huh?
That's what the society, that's a
Look at that.
monsterlicious.
Mama, I'm gonna leave
That's
it
your
just
one.
as. I'm gonna leave it
That's
just
your
as
one.
is. And now I'm gonna make the other one.
Make mine.
Yeah, yours is
Make it feminine.
way smaller.
Make it very feminine.
Feminine.
Yeah, feminine.
Oh.
I want nice portions.
Cheers, my love. Why are you hiding behind the bottles?
You ask such difficult questions.
Finally out of the hot tub, my goodness.
And if I wasn't forced, I was still sitting there.
Yeah, it's crazy, it's crazy. So this is actually your fault that we're eating so late.
Ach, my
Mama, I'm gonna put
goodness.
this stuff on now. Look at that.
Dis makulos, groot is.
Dis groot goed, maar ek wil 'n stukkie van hierdie.
Nie rou is nie.
No, this is a pepper dew.
Yes.
Oh, love it. And the worsie is on. Ooh, This is gonna be, look at this, look at this. I brought my Hugo se lang tang. Papi. Papi gaan nêrens sonder hom nie. As hy, my love, now. Now it's just a question of time.
Okay, so I'm gonna sit and relax there.
And then we can eat. My love, we must still drink what? What did you do with the brandy?
It's all on you.
What?
All on you.
On me? Oh my goodness. This is Jumping Jackal sticky jalapeno sauce.
Okay, put it on.
Look at that. I love this stuff. I am really one of those guys that can drink anything.
Yeah, I just wanted to say. And tomorrow he just takes a soy brand pill and then he's fine again.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So
I think I've got a good suggestion. You braai this meat,
it's.
put it in your plate, and then you throw yourself a wine glass full of sauce.
Oh no, this will burn me.
And then when you take a happy chicken, you take a happy of that.
Look, I love this stuff, but it's not for drinking. Sometimes I'm just a little bit crazy, but I'm gonna put this on mine. I've got the big one.
Good one.
You've got the small one, I've got the big one. So the sticky jalapeno sauce is going on to mine.
Yeah, he's very adventurous.
Adventurous, Mama.
Yep.
I just love this stuff.
Everything that's burning.
Yeah. That's why I like you so much, because you're hot.
Oh my goodness. I nearly got the fry. Who's it?
My love, you want some wine?
Yeah, please.
Some white. Listen to it. Listen to the crack.
Whoa.
BC Wines, Papi. BC Wines. Mama, what is this? This is
BC Wines.
a Chenin Blanc. BC Wines, Chenin Blanc.
And tell them how many stickers.
Mama, you just with your stickers, two golden stickers.
I don't drink any wine without stickers
You and your
anymore.
stickers. My goodness.
Thank you.
My love, this was a lovely evening.
Wow.
Oh, you haven't got your copy on.
No, I took it off. It's too
You
hot.
took it off. I'm gonna take mine off as well. That's hy. Nou kan my ore asshole. Mama, I'm just gonna watch what's going on here.
Oh, steamy.
I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna
think
check
it's
it.
steamy.
You think so?
Yeah, I told you so. Told you so.
Oh, wow. Look how nice they look, my love. I'm gonna put this one down here.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Look at this. Look at that. That's yours, the small one.
It's not actually small.
That's big enough. I'm so glad we didn't do three balls on each.
Who's going to eat
stocking.
the rest?
Look at that.
Oh my God,
it's
that's
still
a
dripping.
monster.
Mama, look at that. It's still dripping.
It's a monster.
This is going to be so lekker juicy.
I know, we've got food for tomorrow also.
No, I'm going to finish this tonight. My love, unfortunately we had the divorcee for Udurfi.
That's all that's left.
Yeah, that's all that's left, because the hunger just grabbed us. It grabbed us by the...
Yeah, that.
I poured us some wine, but we never...
Cheers. Oh my goodness, dis lekker glase die.
This is beautiful. One more time.
1, 2.
That was a soft one.
Yeah, I'm
Let's
so
just
scared
pour a hard one.
Okay, not too hard.
No. Come.
1, 2,
3. Wow, that's cool, huh? Cheers.
Wow.
Love it. Love you guys. We're gonna eat this. I'm gonna put some lekker garlic jalapeno mayo.
And he's got the sauce on the chicken as well.
My love, I'm someone just gonna gooi it now. Huh?
Oh, your favorite, eh? Oh goodness.
My goodness. Available on our website up here. Doing it
The
together.
garlic jalapeno sauce
Mama,
is his favorite.
And I've got good news as well. Can I tell them?
Yeah, tell them.
I know you don't know what I'm gonna say now.
I know.
But we sell all of this Jumping Jackal products in our shop as well. Hectic Biltong in the Strand. And our latest addition, we just got Plankie Steak sauce in our shop as well.
Yeah.
Plankie Steak.
Garlic
The
added.
one with the garlic. Ooh.
Oh.
So if you really like it, or you want to try it, come to our shop, Hectic Biltong in the Strand, and you can get it there. We've got the braai lighters, we've got all the jalapeno stuff, we've got the the plankies steak sauce,
Yes.
and we've got lots of
highlighters.
and braailighters, and we've got lots of biltong. Mama, we're talking a lot. Cheers.
Ooh.
I will
Ring, ring, ring.
I'm gonna enjoy this, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and I'll see you just now after this. I've got a date with you.
Oh.
Good morning, my love. Who's sorry now? Not me.
Not me.
I just feel a bit woozy this morning.
Because it's misty outside.
No,
that's
it's not.
all.
It's actually a very nice day. Let's see if we can find the
The beach.
yeah.
Excuse my hair. Don't look at me.
She's got a bad hair
Bad
day.
hair day.
And why?
I forgot my Hannon.
Oh my goodness, Hannon. You and
So
Hannon has
now
got
my
this.
whole day is messed up.
I'm worried. You and Hannon has got this close relationship.
Yes, very close, very close.
Oh, it's sunny. It's lekker sunny. I think I must get my sunglasses.
Oh yeah, that will be nice.
Yeah, mine is in the car here.
Mine as well.
I say much better. Otherwise, I won't be able to see a thing.
It's still not hiding my hair, but
Man, leave your hair alone. Your hair is fine. Well, I don't know how to get to the beach.
we're gonna find out soon.
Sure, but it's a lovely day. Just look at this. Windless, 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 windless.
I think that side is a dead end.
What side?
To that side, it's a dead end.
Yeah, I'm sure that side. So I think it's down here to the stop street, and then you just turn right.
And you go down all the way.
Yeah.
Now let's
Come,
see.
don't fall behind. I need this exercise this morning. Seems like there's still new houses going up here, huh? Sure, people are building. Walking around here makes you feel like you're on holiday.
Yeah, like tranquil.
Yeah, it's very nice. Wow, huh? Look at this.
Oh.
Jeez. Yes, dit lyk lekker, huh?
Nice.
These guys, they've got amazing views, huh?
Wow.
Just look at this house. Yo. There's even one
Down
in front
there.
of that one, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Sure.
I'm getting Jongensfontein vibes here.
I do it, huh? Me as
Yes.
well.
Yeah.
It feels like Jongensfontein.
Wow. Lekker.
Sure.
Jette.
Lekker by die see.
Nou, hier kan ek bly hoor.
Met koek en tee. This is beautiful. Wow. I see the people are cleaning the beach. You see there? But there's not a swim beach here. Huh?
No, but
It's
this is
just
only a part
rocks.
of Kleinbaai.
Yeah, I'm not sure where the guys can swim here.
I think it's around the corner.
That side. It looks a bit rocky here. It's beautiful. But this is obviously not. Otherwise, you must go to Gansbaai if you want to swim. I don't know if they.
No,
I'm
I'm
sure they-
sure.
that side maybe.
It
No,
says
I don't know.
number 16 to 18. That one was 1 to 11. So there must be much more.
Yeah. Sure, it's nice. Love, I've got a good idea. Leave your hair alone. I'm gonna take you for breakfast. Huh?
Okay.
You feel like having breakfast?
Yes, you have a hat for me.
No, man. Let's go and see if we can find a lekker restaurant somewhere.
Okay. That will be great.
Yeah,
I need a nice orange juice this
somewhere
morning.
close to where we can see the ocean.
Yes.
I want to sit on top of the water.
Okay.
The waves must
Crash on your...
tickle my feet. That's it, back home again. Mama, now we packed and ready to go.
Ready to go.
I'm hungry. I must really get to a restaurant now soon.
Yeah, but before we go, please ask them to do their thing.
What thing?
Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and book on our website.
Yeah, did you guys see? We actually reached 14,000 subscribers.
Eventually.
Eventually. I thought by now we will be at 20,000, but
Yeah.
at least we're at 14,000. There's lots more of you that watch our videos,
Then
but you don't subscribe.
yes.
More than
it's
half.
half.
Yeah, more than half of you watch our videos and you don't subscribe. I don't know why. Please,
But
if you all can just
subscribe.
hit that subscribe button, that will help us a lot.
Yeah.
Mama, recap.
Yo.
What's the nice about this place and what's the bad about this place?
I can't think of one bad thing.
Yeah, me
It's
neither.
just so nice. It's
I
really like
love
like the name says, it's magical.
It's magical.
We had such a romantic time here. Oh my goodness.
My goodness.
We needed that. It was very nice.
Not that we needed it, but it was just, I must say, last night's, we didn't show you that, obviously, but last night's hot tub session was the best ever.
Session, I say.
That was a session, Poppy. That was the best in
Yes.
3 years. In 3 years, easily.
But leave that alone now. We're not going to
Rocky's calm.
talk about that.
Anyway,
One of the highlights for me is definitely this hot tub. It's
Yeah,
nice and
it's
big and
amazing.
it's nice and deep. It's very
amazing.
nice.
It's amazing.
And another thing for me is the nice big braai inside.
For the
that
winter months.
warms up the whole
Yeah.
place. And if you want to braai in the summer, you
That's
can
what I just wanted to
use it
say. That's what I
outside.
like about this place. It's good for the winter and it's good for the summer as well.
Yes.
I think these trees for the summer will be amazing.
Yeah.
Nice and cool.
Yeah, and it's a very nice and clean place. And there's, like, as I always say, everything you need.
Yeah.
Really, everything you need. If
No,
you don't
this-
want to braai, you can use the air fryer. Make food with the air fryer.
This is definitely magical.
Remember, it's a 5 sleep, so come bring your whole family and come and enjoy yourself.
Or your friends.
The beach
yeah.
is close nearby. We just walk there. Ugh, no, this Kleinbaai is
And
actually amazing.
Apparently the white shark cage diving
it's down there.
Is down there. Yeah.
If
Like,
you are some of that
the harbour.
adventurous, I don't think we'll ever do that.
Mama, that's it.
Yeah, I'm also hungry.
I'm hungry.
Let's go look for
I
a
need-
nice place to eat.
I need something oily.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
thanks again, Martin and your wife, for this nice stay.
Yeah, we will definitely stay in contact. We will
Yes.
definitely come and visit you guys again.
So, okay, now, book.
Yeah, and remember to book this place through our website.
Yes, please.
Yeah, don't forget that. And go and browse through every listing we've got there.
Yeah.
And see which one you like and book it straight through our website,
Yeah, and
please.
it's getting more and more every time we visit the place.
Yeah, every time we're going to put the place on.
Yes.
Right, we'll see you on the next one. And next time, it's going to be from far,
It's going to be from far. It's going to be very nice. It's going to be
over the water.
over the water. It's going to be summer that side.
We'll see you there. Right, bye.